are at the Hoover Dam outlook point.
Here it is.
If the sun wasn't on my face, it'd be all set.
Making the bottleneck. Stairs, stairs, stairs.
Don't need exercise in this trip.
Remember the doctor told me I need the stairs?
Well, you got plenty of stairs here.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep going.
I would be amazed with this.
Welcome to Nevada. A lot of rocks, scrub brush, not much else. Lots of mountains. No, that's not scrub brush, that's in the... So we're on a bridge that goes over the top of the valley where the Hoover Dam is. Hoover Dam is right down there. We're way up here. That dam right there is holding back lots and lots of water. And you can see where the water line used to be. The waters receded quite a bit.
I heard that it says how many people died when they built it.
A lot of people died when they built this thing. I'll have to look it up and let you know.
Really afraid of the height.
Here's Inda shaking because she's so high up.
Makes me
Makes you dizzy? This is Inda, and this is what Inda's standing over the top of.
no, I can't see down there. Heights.
Alright, babe.
That's Brett enjoying the Hoover Dam. So am I.
Here we are in Nevada at the Hoover Dam.
Beautiful day.
Windy and cold.
It's sunny, but it's chilly.
Here we are driving down to the Hoover Dam to go across it. We're entering the top of the Hoover Dam. Just drive across it.
top of the Hoover Dam. Those are the bridges that we've been withstanding.
We're looking down over the dam. Here we are on Lake Mead side of the dam. Closer down. Up there is the bridge we were on looking down at the dam. There's the structure right there. We'll take a walk out onto the dam. Show you the other side. This is the side where all the water's being held back at. So here's one of the aqueducts. If there's overflow,
Yeah.
comes in through here and then goes down to the aqueduct. And that takes it off into the valley over there.
This used to be really, really
Full of water, huh?
full of water.
But it's
No.
drought right now.
Yeah. Form follows function. Can you imagine engineers?
So this spillway doesn't get used very often, obviously.
1980 so. Gorgeous right there.
I know, you want to go swimming? Bet you that water's cold. We are in the canyon side of the dam.
Let's go to that building over there.
We will, let's go.
You can read a lot of history in that.
There's an observatory
Well,
right here. Come out and you're like you're floating in the middle of nowhere. It's way down there. Hello, hello, hello. Look at all those cars. Wonder how they get the cars down there.
huh?
There's cars and stuff down there. I wonder how they get down there. And I had to use the women's restroom, and it's inside this tower, right on top of Hoover Dam. Through this door, and it's decorated in Art Deco tiles from the time when the Hoover Dam was built. And you have to go up through these stairs to the bathroom.
Herbert Clark Hoover. What's that?
Check out the
31st President of the United States.
United States of America, Department of Interior, Bureau of Reclamation, Boulder Canyon Project. And that must be all the people that were involved in it way back then. It's pretty cool. These right here used to be ticket booths for something. Must not use them anymore. windy.
Wait it to go over there. From here.
We'll cross next time we come across the crosswalk. Sorry, we are closed. No, it's because they're closed for COVID. There's usually tours that take you inside of the dam.
Food and gifts.
U.S. Department of Interior, Bureau of Reclamation, 1931, 1935. That is a big piece of rock. Big old piece of rock. Go stand in front of that.
Huh?
By following the wheel of time around to the back of the monument, you will locate Vega, which has become the North Star thousands of years into the future.
I can't see anything. I know. Won't be better if it's like in the middle, like with it off.
Then 48 states. Precisely 48.
Go on your feet. Go to the bench. Go right there.
Like once me and Matt will probably move around sometimes.
Yeah.
Caskets are over 30 feet tall, weigh over 4 tons, and were the largest unnamed bronzes
Look at all those names.
in the United States. The artist said the building of Hoover Dam.
There you go, people. Go ahead and read that.
Yeah, it's going. Ah, there's restaurants over there. $10 ticket includes movie and guide presentation.
Visitor center and tours are closed, but
Yeah.
the restaurant's closed too. There's nobody eating there. Yeah, welcome to COVID times.
This one is up night. That's pretty.
Yeah.
Gift store.
I ain't climbing all the way up there. Yeah.
That's where they park probably.
That's one.
Rock climbing.
That's how they built the Hoover Dam, was with ropes and pulleys.
Which is very dangerous, but
is. Okay, we're gonna go inside the gift shop at Hoover Dam. All kinds of Hoover Dam souvenirs. Sure, I don't want to get this one, dude.
Huh?
This is my damn shirt.
Not for me.
Thank you guys for watching. That's Hoover Dam. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. See ya. Bye.
Bye.